Hi, soon to be Civil Service Exam Passer. This is Naomi C. speaking. Sa video na to, isi-share ko sa inyo ang 1987 Philippine Constitution. Ang main focus natin ay tungkol po sa executive, legislative, and judicial branches. So, bali mag-share po ako sa inyo ng 10 questions and answers with explanation na rin po. So, para po ito sa mga magti-take ng professional and sub-professional level this coming 2026. So, let's begin. Here's the direction. You'll hear 10 multiple choice questions. Each question has 4 options labeled A, B, C, and D. I'll be giving you a few seconds to think before I reveal the correct answer. Make sure to take notes, pause if you need more time, and also try to answer honestly, just like in the actual civil service exam. Number 1. What are the 3 branches of the Philippine government? A. Executive, legislative, and electoral. B. Legislative, judicial, and bureaucratic. C. Executive, legislative, and judicial. And D. Legislative, administrative, and judicial. The correct answer is letter C. Executive, legislative, and judicial. I also provided an explanation. So this is Article 2, Section 1 of the Philippine Constitution establishes the principle of separation of powers. Government power is divided among the executive, legislative, and judicial branches to maintain checks and balances. Number 2. Who is the head of the judiciary? A. The President. B. The Chief Justice. C. The Ombudsman. D. The Senate President. The correct answer is B, the Chief Justice. Here's the explanation. The Chief Justice of the Supreme Court is the head of the Judicial Department as provided in Article 8, Section 1. Number 3. How many members compose the House of Representatives? A. Not more than 250. B. 200 fixed. C. 250 fixed. D. 300. The correct answer is letter A. Not more than 250. Explanation. Article 6, Section 5. The House shall be composed of not more than 250 members unless otherwise fixed by law. Number 4. How many senators are there in the Philippines? A. 12. B. 18. C. 24. D. 30. The correct answer is letter C. 24. Explanation. So under Article 6, Section 2, the Senate shall be composed of 24 senators elected at large by the qualified voters of the Philippines. Number 5. What is the term of office of a member of the House of Representatives? A. 3 years. B. 4 years. C. 5 years. D. 6 years. The correct answer is letter A. 3 years. Here's the explanation. Under Article 6, Section 7, members of the House of Representatives are elected for a term of 3 years and may not serve for more than 3 consecutive terms. 6. What is the main function of the judicial department? A. Make laws. B. Interpret laws. C. Implement laws. D. Veto laws. The correct answer is letter B. Interpret laws. Explanation. So under Article 8, Section 1, the judicial power is vested in one Supreme Court and such lower courts as may be established by law. Its duty is to interpret the law and ensure justice. Number 7. How many members compose the Supreme Court? A. 12. B. 13. C. 15. D. 20. The correct answer is letter C, 15. Explanation is under Article 8, Section 4, the Supreme Court shall be composed of a Chief Justice and 14 associate justices, totaling to 15 members. Number 8. Who appoints the members of the Supreme Court? A. The Senate. B. The President. C. The Congress. D. The Commission on Appointments. The correct answer is letter B, the President. Here's the explanation. So under Article 8, Section 9, the President appoints members of the Supreme Court from a list prepared by the Judicial and Bar Council without need of confirmation. Number 9. What is the Judicial and Bar Council? So letter A, a legislative committee. B, an agency under the DOJ. C, a constitutional body that screens judicial appointees. And letter D, a part of the Supreme Court's staff. The correct answer is letter C, a constitutional body that screens judicial appointees. The explanation is under Article 8, Section 8, the Judicial and Bar Council recommends appointees to the judiciary. It ensures that only qualified and competent judges and justices are appointed. Number 10. What is the term of office of a senator? So this is the last question. This is like a bonus question already. So A, number 3 years, B, 4 years, D, 5 years, and D, 6 years. The correct answer is letter D, 6 years. Explanation. So under Article 6, Section 4, senators shall be elected for a term of 6 years with no more than 2 consecutive terms.